able to tell there are black beans in them. And why black beans? Well, because they're packed with protein and fiber, and the consistency really lends itself to a fudgy brownie situation. So we're going to use black beans, cocoa. I'm using Dutch processed cocoa here, maple syrup for our sweetener, a nice creamy almond butter or another nut or seed butter if you prefer, oat flour, vanilla extract, baking powder, and sea salt. And of course, we're going to need our chocolate chips. Feel free to add some nuts as well. Here I'm adding some pecans. Go ahead and preheat your oven. Drain and rinse the black beans into the food processor with the S-blade attachment. Add your black beans, maple syrup, almond butter, vanilla extract, cocoa powder, oat flour, baking powder, salt. Pulse a few times and then process until all the ingredients are fully combined. You may have to stop and scrape down the sides a couple of times to make sure everything gets incorporated. Mix in your chocolate chips and nuts if you're adding those as well. And you'll end up with this delicious, thick, sticky brownie batter. Spread the batter out into your 9 by 9 inch baking pan and smooth it out. Add some more chocolate chips on top and nuts if you're using nuts as well. Now it's time to bake. Once they're done, allow them to cool completely, and then refrigerate for a few hours, ideally, if you can wait that long. They are easiest to cut when they're cold, and I enjoy them cold better, but you do you. I'll include more details in the description below. Let me know if you have any questions or what you think of these brownies. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. You have to try these. Can't even detect a black bean in sight. Fudgy, chocolatey deliciousness. Wow, really good. If you enjoy healthier dessert recipes like this, be sure to check out this Snickers bar recipe, and I will see you next time.